How's it going, guys? Chris Jones, owner-operator here at Speed of Sound Audio Experts in Somersworth, New Hampshire. We are doing a 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Customer called and was complaining about the sound quality of the factory speakers. So we sold him this kit we have from DB Drive. These are direct fit speakers for the 2018 and newer Jeep JLs and Jeep Gladiators. So this is the stock speaker from that vehicle. It's a terrible little speaker. Just a single cone inside there. This is our upgrade for that speaker. So it drops right in. It even has the same connector on the back of the speaker so that we don't have to cut or splice any wiring in the vehicle. Instead of being a single cone speaker, this is a coaxial speaker, meaning it has that single cone, but it also has a tweeter in there to make things just a lot more bright and more crisp sounding. This is the dash speaker, which is also a terrible little single cone speaker. So in the dash, we're going to install this one that also has a tweeter, which again is just going to brighten everything up inside there and make it sound so much better. This is also a direct plug-in. So this will plug directly into that stock plug. So there's, again, no cutting or splicing of any wires in this installation. These WDX speakers from DB Drive, again, made for the Jeep JL and Gladiator. This system, this complete kit, rear speakers in the sound bar, lower dash speakers up in the front of the Jeep, and then the speakers that are sit up on top of the dashboard. We do this whole system for $699 installed. Everybody that we've done these for is absolutely thrilled after we've done the installation with the way that the system sounds. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your Jeep, let us know. We can hook you up. Check us out on the web at speedofsound.net or give us a call at 603-766-6666.